So let's go ahead and open this box, wonderful box. Are you guys ready? Excited? I am excited. Yes, let's go ahead. तो करते हैं unboxing. All right. Oh my god. Ultimately, it is finally here, बच्चों. Oops, दो. All right. Yes, it is a big box. भाई काफी बड़ा है ना? You can see here. My hands are big, obviously. And it is what? Series 6. You can see that. Series 6, blue aluminum case, deep navy sport brand, 44mm. Looks great. So let's open it then, guys. Let's open it. So, यहाँ से. Aha, the sound of it. Always satisfying. So I think the blue color ही उसमें नया था. Okay, the one of the latest colors you can see. Blue was something great in that. That's why I chose it. Alright, let's open it. Wow, the feel on it looks good. Amazing. Okay. Okay. Wow. All the colorful watches you can see. Wow. Look at this. Looks so good. Nice. You can open this. So you can see it's a case again. Sport band. Okay. Stainless steel pen. Brand. Bracelet sport. Okay, so तुम्हारे types हैं यहाँ पे. So let's open it. तो ये बैंड का कंटेंट यू कैन से बॉक्स अलग से दिया है, राइट, एंड द वॉच एक्चुअली इज इन अ डिफरेंट बॉक्स. ऑलराइट, सो देयर आर टू बॉक्सेस, वन अपॉन अनदर लाइक दिस. लेट्स ओपन इट गाइस. ऑलराइट, इट्स क्वाइट हेवी बॉक्स एक्चुअली. Designed by Apple in California. Yes, obviously manufactured somewhere else. This is the beauty piece. Wow. Look at the dial. Nice cover here. Blue color. I've chosen blue color, that's why. Alright, यहाँ पे क्या है? All the paperwork maybe? I don't know. Designed by Apple. Okay. Instructions are given. Alright. So you can start here. Open your band box. Follow the steps to attach your band to the Apple Watch. ये सब करना पड़ेगा. चार्जर भी रहेगा उसका, right? Okay. And your watch face, digital crown, side button, everything here. Still paperwork for you. Alright. So फिलहाल I'll just keep it at the side. बाजू में रखता हूँ ऐसे. Okay. This is my charger. Right. This is my charger for the watch. Okay, let's open it. Yeah. Okay, the famous cable, है ना? The famous Apple cable, but it's better now. अभी उसका ज़्यादा you would be knowing there should be lots of problem at the end over here, but अभी इतना नहीं होता if you buy the latest one. Okay guys, how do I open this? Yeah. Okay. All right. So I think you have to keep it here. Yeah, like this. Magnetically obviously attaches itself, so we'll do that. So there's a charger. You have a USB obviously insert input over here, USB for the charging. So one more Apple different kind of charger now I have. Okay, I'll just keep all these boxes at the side now, but I'll just keep what is required. So this is a beautiful watch over here, and this is our charger. All right, that box में से आया था. Wow. We'll keep it aside now. All right, and let's check the band now. दिया है सब कुछ, to follow it properly, all the instructions. Deep navy sport band. Okay. Again I watch. Okay, too many instructions, because again ये मेरा पहला watch है, I watch. Okay, I think you are given sizes over here, small to medium, and this is medium to large, depending on your wrist size maybe, correct है? Alright, fantastic guys, fantastic. Again lots of paperwork. चलो paperwork को बाजू में रखते हैं. Okay, let's go. Let's try this one. Be gentle. Alright, I'm trying to be gentle. तो ये एक साइड से आ गया. Alright, there's a longer end actually, you can call it maybe. Alright, so we're going to go for this one, the medium to large one. Then maybe I'll try that as well, the band. Let's see that, whichever is adjustable. Seems very funny. It's not your traditional watch here, है ना? It's very funny to do all of that, to actually assemble your watch. Alright, and then let's take out this beauty now from here. Okay, how are you going to come out? Okay, let's push it out. Push it. Ah, yes baby, push it. Okay, come. Yeah, my goodness. Okay, I pressed the crown button इसलिए I think this is nice cover over here of 44mm. This is the beauty over here. Alright, what does it say पीछे? Apple Watch Series 6 44mm aluminium and ceramic case, 10nx glass, GPS and WR50 water resistant 50 meter. Alright. Yep. अच्छा, it has low battery. To continue, okay, connect Apple Watch to its charger. Actually बहुत टाइम हो गया था, वो बॉक्स के अंदर ही रह गया था. So I'll quickly charge this बच्चों. I'll quickly charge this guys and then get back to you. How do I charge this? Obviously like this. Yep. तो जैसे ही गाइज मैंने चार्जिंग को लगा दिया है मेरे आई वॉच को, एप्पल वॉच को, फोन पे, मेरे आईफोन पे इमीडिएटली नोटिफिकेशन आ गया, यूज योर फोन टू सेटअप दिस एप्पल वॉच. हम लोग करेंगे थोड़ी देर में. ओके, सो लेट मी जस्ट चेक चार्जिंग कितना हुआ, क्या हुआ. आई एम नॉट क्वाइट श्योर. यस, चेक. हमको पेयरिंग करना पड़ेगा बच्चों, है ना? राइट, पेयरिंग तो हम कर लेंगे, बट शैल वी फर्स्ट चेक कैसे दिखता है ये ऑन द हैंड, ऑन द रिस्ट. बल्कि, इट्स क्वाइट बल्की भाई. ओके, मेरे को थोड़ा सा मेरे पुराने वॉच की भी याद आ रही. इट वॉज बल्कि फॉसिल का वॉच. ऑलराइट, यू कैन सी सम पार्ट्स ओवर हियर. ओके, इसमें बहुत सारे सेंसर्स इस बार लगे हैं ना, तो इसमें आपको थोड़ा बल्ज यहाँ पे दिखेगा. दिस इज सम काइंड ऑफ बल्ज ओवर हियर, बल्ज. ओके, सो इट इज अ क्वाइट हैवी एंड अ वाइड वॉच. लेट्स गो अहेड एवरीबॉडी. चलो बढ़ते हैं हम लोग आगे. लॉट्स ऑफ सेंसर्स. You can see the color, it's very deep navy blue ना, है ना? Right, let's go. We'll watch. भाई पूछ क्या रहा है, चाइनीज में कुछ दबा दिया मैंने यार. Look, I don't know what you're talking about. हाँ, इंग्लिश चाहिए भाई, इंग्लिश. कौन सा वाला इंग्लिश, वो भी पूछ रहा है. Choose region, sorry, it's asking about region. Let's go. Let's set it up. ये मेरा इंडिया. चलो भाई, अरे चलो जल्दी चलो, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है. आएगा. Setting language. Alright, start pairing. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and start pairing. Kare bachcho, let's go. Wow, look at this. Wow, beauty. Look at this graphics, whatever is coming on the screen. Beautiful, it's beautiful, amazing. I'm shooting through iPad right now for Apple iWatch and my iPhone. Let's go. There's my Apple ka app. Alright, beautiful. Good afternoon. If you have an Apple Watch, you can pair it with your iPhone here. करना है भाइयों को. चलो, start pairing. तो यहाँ पे setup for myself, obviously. Put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Align it with the viewfinder below. क्या बात है. Wow, I mean this is so beautiful. I don't know what to tell you यार. Amazing. तो मतलब मुझको इसके ऊपर प्लेस करना है ऐसा. Okay. Wow. Look at the whatever is changing over here. Wow. This is something different. Designed by Apple in California. Okay. Wow. Your Apple Watch is paired. Done. क्या बात है. तो I think I can do all the settings over here. वो अलग बात है. Please continue setup on iPhone. यहाँ पे. One on which wrist do you want Apple Watch? I use it on the left. क्या बात है. Look at the intelligence over here. Beautiful. Connecting your Apple Watch this way. This may take some. मुझको पहनना है ऐसा, correct? It will be looking like this, right? I hope so. तो मतलब फिर तो मैं सब उसके बैंड लगा दूँ and off you go. Yeah. in a very non-traditional way, obviously, of setting up, or you can say assembling your own watch rather. Let me just say, हाँ भाई कर रहा हूँ मैं, या हो गया सेट, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर सही बैठा है कि नहीं. ऑलराइट, ओके. To attach the band, slide it until you hear a click. I hope I'm doing it correctly. I can only hope rather. ये सब ठीक ठाक चल रहा है, नहीं हो रहा. Let me try. जाना भाई. ओके. दोनों में उल्टा ही लगाए थे बच्चों. Nice. Oh, भाई this is a struggle. This is trouble, भाई. This is trouble. Yeah, better. Okay, chill. Yeah, that's better. So when just reverse the watch, बच्चों, and you'll see the exact same patterns over here. Okay, exact same patterns. आपको बीच में स्टील वाला भी दिखेगा एक part, and over here also. So go exactly like that. Go exactly like that. It's irritating. It doesn't say back or front, no. इसलिए follow exactly. Right. Now I hope this is correct. You can also check the shorter band. This one. Okay. I will try that also later on, no problem. Chalo, let's go. Now adjust the band. Chalo, let's go. Let's try like this. And first you have to obviously, अरे यार, भाई कहना क्या चाहते, करना क्या चाहते भाई? There will definitely be some learning curve for this. It's not like a traditional watch. Okay, चलो भाई शांत हो जाइए, आजा. Yeah. This is not like a traditional watch, so it's taking some time, and it will take some time. Okay, चलो मैंने यहाँ पे डाल दिया. This is the biggest, हाँ, the first one. My wrist आते हैं. Okay, this is better. This is correct, and then it goes. All right, inside. Push it. All right. That is it. Yup. Finally. Okay. Something new, but yeah, we have to do it. You know. This is how it will look, बच्चों. The blue band. Let's continue with the setup. All right. चलो, so I'm going ahead, send my terms and conditions. Yeah भाई, let's go ahead, agree. Workout, route tracking. Apple Watch works out, uses your location to track routes and local weather for outdoor workouts. Enable, no problem. Shared settings. Apple Watch shares settings with iPhone. ठीक है, no problem. चलेगा, okay. I trust you, Apple. Okay, अब यहाँ पे it's so beautiful, no? I'll just keep my hand like that. Okay, I'll tell remote बच्चों, ठीक है. The thing I loved, I mean, these are now, they're not going to replicate with each other. Check करो. Beautiful. Bold text and size. Select your preferred reading experience by adjusting your controls on iPhone. छोटू चाहिए. I mean, the way I'm sliding it over here, it is exactly replicating your as well as your. बहुत beautiful यार. चलो, this is also better. This is also better. ठीक है. Whatever, I'll go with the whatever the size came with. Let's go ahead. Continue. क्या बात है? Apple Watch passcode. तुमको नहीं बताऊंगा. When you set a passcode, Apple Watch locks when you take it off, okay, and requires the passcode to unlock. This helps protect your data. Okay, create a passcode. मैं यहाँ पे डालूँगा, नहीं बताऊँगा. All right, let's go ahead. Done. अच्छा, re-enter. Fine. Done. हाँ, ये जो rings, beautiful rings, I always wanted to see. मैं देखता था celebrities के Instagram stories पे यहाँ पर. This rings used to happen. The activity app on Apple Watch helps you sit less, move more, and get some exercise. I hope so. वैसे भी वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर करके जाने दो यार. वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर करके तुमको पता क्या हो गया. इफ़ यू लाइक यू कैन सेट अप नाउ. करेंगे ना सेटअप एक्टिविटी. चलो. अच्छा, यहाँ पे आपका दिखेगा दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन हेल्प द एक्टिविटी ऐप एक्यूरेट ट्रैक योर डे. तो बेसिकली बर्थ डेट, जेंडर, हाइट, वेट अभी थोड़ा कम हो चुका है. आई हैव टू एक्चुअली कंफर्म इट. ठीक है, डन. एंड व्हील चेयर नहीं है, सो कंटिन्यू. आई मीन, सी दैट ऑल्सो ऑप्शन था गिवन अगर आप व्हील चेयर बाउंड हो या नहीं है. डेली मूव गोल. Set your move goal for how active you are or how active you'd like to be. अभी lightly के लिए बच्चों 360 किलो कैलोरीज पर डे है. Moderate के लिए 670 एंड हाईली के लिए 980. ओके भाई, फिलहाल तो मैं इट्स बिगिनिंग ना. let's take it lightly है ना. Let's take it gently. So right now taken lightly. Set move goal. Okay. Daily exercise goal Q. ना मुन्ना ना. It's recommended to get at least 30 minutes of activity at or above a brisk walk or at or above a brisk walk. भाई थोड़ा सा ठीक है, 15 मिनट फिलहाल के लिए. ओके, डोंट जज मी. Set exercise goal. Daily stand goal. It is recommended to get up and move for at least a minute in each hour of your day. So 12 hours per day stand goal. Really? ठीक है, ऐसे कैसे होगा पता नहीं यार. चलो मैंने फिलहाल तो इसको मिनिमाइज कर लिया. 6 पे लेके आया मैं फिलहाल के लिए. Let's check. Blood oxygen, क्या बात. You can use the blood oxygen app to check your blood oxygen levels. It can also measure levels throughout the day. Fantastic. ये तो सबसे बड़ा feature था of this new watch. Let's enable it. Keep your Apple Watch up to date, obviously. So continue with this updates के लिए, no problem. Emergency SOS. You can press and hold the side button to call emergency services. If your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, this will also send a message to your emergency contacts. Fall detection, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर है बच्चों, जो बुजुर्ग है या फिर समथिंग लाइक इफ एट ऑल इवन यू फॉल फ्रॉम अ बाइक और वॉट एवर एक्सीडेंट कुछ रहेगा, कैन कॉल इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज इफ एप्पल वॉच डिटेक्ट्स अ हार्ड फॉल. Fall detection is designed to recognize falls that happen as you get older, and you can enable it in Apple Watch app. बढ़िया है बच्चों. Let's continue. Clock faces, okay. You can change your clock face to personalize. चलेगा, no problem. फिलहाल तो continue. You can also choose what displayed when your wrist is down. चलेगा, great. Install available apps. कर दो बच्चों install, तो हम लोग कर देते हैं. If you install now, some of your iPhone and Apple Watch will be updated compatibility. No problem. Install now. Apple Watch basics. Apple Watch is syncing कह रहा है ये. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. You'll get an alert when it's finished. You can use your iPhone as you normally would. बढ़िया, झकास. Okay, तो बच्चों सेटअप उसका गाइस उसका सेटअप हो गया. So your Apple ID and phone number are now being used for iMessage and FaceTime on the new Apple Watch. If you recently signed into Apple Watch, you can ignore this notification. All right. Welcome to Apple Watch. Browse watch face and add them to gallery. All right. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें बच्चों यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं हम लोग. All right. Your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. ये ओके हो गया. हाँ, आपका ये ऐप रहेगा. आई थिंक यू कैन डू लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग. फेस का वॉच आप चेंज कर सकोगे. बहुत सारी चीज़ें. आई एक्सप्लोर दिस ऑब्वियसली. So many apps बच्चों. So many apps we can guys access through each of them. From both of them rather. Workout, weather, wallet, walkie-talkie. हाँ, this feature I have to use. I can talk with some of the other, I think iWatch users maybe on my contact. Noise, all right. Heart, wow. क्या है? Health related, all right. Heart, okay. Heart rate, ECG, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. So I'll explore this. This was just a small unboxing video, guys. I hope you liked it. Let's go ahead. So press the crown. Your watch is all right. Looks so beautiful. Wow. Just wow. It is a big dial, guys. It is a big dial. I can see the day, date, timing. Obviously, watch है यार. क्या अभी है ना? Many things are happening. अच्छा, I think it is replicating my phone setting right now. So अभी भी फिलहाल मेरा DND पे है. That's why it's showing DND. All right, no problem. Okay, I press the crown. It shows me all the apps. Otherwise, the face again. यहाँ पे और एक बटन है साइड में. यू कैन सी दैट यहाँ पे. ओके, जस्ट ना मैंने इसको नीचे कर दिया. इट्स ब्लैंक. ओके अगेन इफ आई प्रेस इट इट्स ऑन. राइट, इट इज आस्किंग मी फॉर पासकोड जो मैंने डाला था. ऑलराइट, नो प्रॉब्लम. अच्छा, इट हैज टू. ओके, ठीक है, करता हूँ भाई. द साइड बटन आई वांटेड टू चेक. ओके, शोइंग मी एक्टिविटी, हार्ट रेट, वर्कआउट, म्यूजिक, मैसेजेस, टाइमर, कैलेंडर, all apps, etc. There is no button here on this side. Okay, again home. Raise to speak. Just bring Apple Watch close to your mouth and make request. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें. It's like Siri based. So that is it बच्चों. I will be exploring it more. अगर कुछ obviously कुछ और मुझको पसंद आए या फिर something is like very great, I will obviously share with you. So चलो एक बार इसको फाइनली पहन लेते हैं हम लोग. और मुझको छोटा वाला बैंड भी यूज़ करना है. So obviously this will be tricky for me. This will be tricky because ये दोनों एक साथ जल्दी नहीं आते हैं. आई थिंक आई गो फॉर द शॉर्टर बैंड, शॉर्टर लेंथ वाला. वो मैं पहले ट्राई कर लूँगा. वो भी ट्राई करूँगा मैं. भाई चल, क्या मुझे 2 लोग लगेंगे इसको लगाने के लिए? अरे यार, घुस भाई. ओके, इट गोज इनसाइड लाइक दिस. एक बार या दिस हाउ डू. ऑलराइट, विल एक्सप्लोर दैट. That's how it looks, guys. Is it quite big or not for the hand? I don't know what to say. I'll try the shorter band now. Let's check. Yeah, not bad. Let's try the shorter band. Actually, you have to press this button. Yeah, then it releases. It's a lock, no? Yeah, sorry. Okay. Again, let's slide it. Yep. Let's try this. कैसा होता है ये? Yeah, this is better. I think. Yeah, this is better. It has a very short tail over here. Alright. I can go one more maybe ahead. Yeah, that's better. Go. Fit inside. Come on. It's, yeah, there is a gap. No problem. This is better. This is fine. Finally. Yep. So that is it, bacho. I hope you enjoyed, guys. The unlocking and the unboxing rather. Tata, take care. Thank you for this. Thank you for being part of this, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Chalo, thumbs up de dena. Thumbs up the video, obviously, and share. Alright. Thank you so much.